Okay, so we are back. This is actually taking a long time to polymerize, which is a little surprising. For a second I thought maybe if things don't polymerize, usually it either means that something has gone bad, and I would say usually that's going to be the APS. So that would maybe be your first guess, but when I actually looked at these, it looks like it did polymerize. Let's see. So even though this hasn't quite polymerized, you can usually tell because you can go sideways with this and you can see that our gel has still created a line, and that's the isopropanol up on the top kind of moving, which is why you get that, like, forms a little triangle in the corner. So this one did leak a little bit. If we look, you can see that we probably lost a little bit of height. It's not a huge deal. So what we're gonna put in next is the wells that you're gonna fill with your lysate. And you've run Westerns before, so you know what those look like. Store is a little bit of a mess, but we have 10 well gels and we have 15 well gels. I usually just do 10 well. We'll see what we need, but you can kind of tell, you know, if I put this here, that's kind of how far the wells are gonna go. So the reason I poured the gel a little bit higher is so that I kind of want that bottom part of the gel to be a little closer to the wells. Like this one's pretty good, but since some of it leaked, we lost a little bit, but that's okay. So now we're gonna pour the second part of this gel, which is what we're gonna put those wells into. I'm just gonna use one of these little guys. So when you made the gel, you followed this first column, that's the base column. Now you're gonna follow the stacking column. So this is what you need to make this second part of the gel. So the main change here is, like I mentioned before, we've got two different kinds of tris. So this tris we used for the first part, but we're not going to use that for the second part. Oops. We're going to use the 1 molar 6.8. And again, you can see that we didn't